Okay, guys, ever wanted a video slider section with fully customizable labels, navigation, and captions? Setting up something this detailed manually would take forever. Well, this section makes it effortless. Today, we're adding this video slider section to your store. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump straight into it. Open your favorite browser and search for Shopify App Store. Click on the first link. This takes you straight to the official Shopify App Store. From here, you can install any app based on your needs. Right now, we're searching for Section Kit in the search bar. This is the app that makes building your store so much easier, genuinely. Open it and install it. The process takes just a few seconds, exactly like any other Shopify app. After installing, go to Explore Sections and search for this section. You'll find it here. Click on More Info and purchase it. All the details are listed right below if you want to read through them. I've already purchased this one though, so let's close this and click on My Sections instead. This is where your purchase sections live. Let me scroll down, and there's the section. Click on Customize, choose your favorite theme, and the section installs successfully. Now let's open it in Theme Customizer and give it a second to load. Once ready, click on Add Section and search for it. Then choose Collection from the results. It'll be added instantly. Now let's scroll down and customize it together. First, let's start with the layout. There are 3 different options to choose from here. Pick whichever fits your section best. Right below that, add your heading, toggle on Use Custom Font, and you can also adjust the heading color and heading font. In the slider settings, you can change the video size, along with a few other options based on your own preference. Now let's move on to the label pill, where you can adjust the label background color and size. Right after that, you'll find navigation settings you can customize too. Then in the Colors section, you can update the background color, and in Page Settings, adjust the page width. There's honestly quite a bit packed into this section. Now let's move on to the collection, add a video or image, and add a caption based on your own preference. You can adjust every setting here exactly how you'd like it. Once you're happy with everything, just hit Save, and the section goes live on your store. If you found this tutorial helpful, drop a like and let me know in the comments if you run into any issues. I read every single one, and I'm always happy to help.